In your lab report, you're actually telling a story. And so it's always good to give a bit of background information. Now, the background information comes from either research or from work you've already done. So what you should be doing is using information you have or using information you have found out by research to help understand what's going on. Now, it's really important to see the link here. You are trying to tell me the story of you doing this activity. So by telling me a little bit of the background, especially the scientific background with specifics, then you are helping me understand what's going on. Right? So we should have some science specifics there. And you should be able to think about whether it really is about this part of the science you've learned or whether it's about a different part. Not all science we learn every day, or not all science you can research, is about what you're actually doing in your lab. So you need to very carefully choose the work you're going to add and the context you're going to add it in. And make sure you think about explaining it in science words, but even better if you can explain it in your own words. It shows greater understanding. So your job is to make sure that you look at and think about how what you've been learning in class might apply to what we're doing or what you're doing in the activity. Or if you can't find anything, maybe think about researching. You have the most powerful tool, as in a laptop in front of you, that should allow you to find out very, very quickly what's going on. All right, so there's no excuse. But the important also part is make sure the science fits the activity. No point in just putting a whole heap of science down if only a small part fits. So you have to choose. So choose wisely.